Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to assemble the soup or sides container. We have the main container, the lid, and our soup bucket. Start by pouring the soup in. Then put the lid on. Next, pop the box open and place the bucket inside. Make sure the handle goes in between the flaps. Next, start to insert the flaps into the lock, but only partially. Then, close the largest flap under the handle and under your lock. Finish by closing the lock. You're now ready to transport. To serve, undo the locks. Then, pull your bucket out. Get the side with the flaps on it and fold it in. Then, add the soup container back, pushing the other flaps down. Take the lid off to serve. This is the soup or sides container. Thank you for watching.